The Nearpod add-on is really easy to use in Google Slides. For example, notice that I've got something that says share your look fors and that there are two collaborate boards coming up next. Because I've installed the add-on for Nearpod, I go to add-ons, Nearpod, and open Nearpod. It will ask me to log into my Nearpod account, and I will take that action logging in as I would normally. For me, I choose login with Google and then log in and accept the appropriate permissions. You'll notice that on the right-hand side of my screen, I now have the Nearpod box available. And so I would simply look for the feature that says collaborate. Choosing the collaborate board gives me the opportunity to add or edit my slide. A new slide will get added to my presentation. In that new slide, I have the ability to add a topic just as I normally would. You can see that in this topic, I enter the changes you are noticing. What they're doing is going to identify some changes related to what they saw. I might also choose to enter a picture because I'm talking about a forest. That could help students think about what it is they're focused on. Notice in my example, I chose to change the style that was presented and also provide a clarifying statement related to the prompt. Then I simply hit save. Hitting save saves my slide in the Nearpod format. What you'll notice happens if you look towards the side of my screen where I have my Google file. Any file that's been added as a Nearpod file will show up in a slightly different format. For example, a video that I added. If I wanted to edit that Nearpod element, I would actually edit from my Nearpod menu. Editing regular Google Slides happens just as it normally would. When I'm all done, I have the ability to save and go to Nearpod where my presentation is accessible. The nice part is, any changes that I might make in my Google Slides will be reflected in my Nearpod prior to me launching that lesson for students.